Kia ora koutou, Markie here. So this is a retroactive jealousy channel that focuses on other things as well as retroactive jealousy. And it's all in the name of promoting the awareness of retroactive jealousy and getting that out there to people. But we don't just talk about retroactive jealousy, we do loads of other stuff. Look, you can see myself in the shadow there, in a reflection. Hello people. So I'm on a beach, a rather special beach actually, and I've seen the first ever live starfish. So I'm a really bad camera person, aren't I? Showing the shadow of myself on my iPhone. This is the first ever live starfish I've ever seen on a beach or in a rock pool. There's another one which I'll probably use for the thumbnail that's hiding in a rock, and there are lots of little hermit crabs. So we featured them before on the channel. That's actually one there. He's gone still. He was racing around a minute ago. So hermit crabs, if you've not come across them before, are crabs that don't have their own shells. So they're good recyclers. They find discarded shells and make their homes in those. There we go, he's on the move now. I'll show you. And then when they outgrow those shells, they find a bigger shell. Oh, he's stopped now. Sorry, this isn't the best shot video ever. The pink seaweed's nice, isn't it? Let me give you a bit of a context of where we are. So there's some amazing rock formations on this beach, and there you go. Give you a bit of a look round where I am. Some little caves. They don't go back very far, but just enough. Now that little hermit crab is a little devil. He's on the move again, but if I focus on him, he'll go still. No, he's moving. So check out. We've got a series of a playlist covers all these. I think it's called Mark's NZ Weird and Wonderful Nature or something like that. There's a few playlists that cross over a little bit. Some are relaxation with nature. I'll check and I'll put the links to the playlists in the description box. See if I can get you a closer look at this little fella. So really all I can see really is just the shell moving. I don't think it's paranormal. I'm pretty convinced it is a hermit crab. Let's see if we can get a better look at him. It's got blurry. Here we go, you can see his legs now, can't you? And he's properly on the move. He's coming to see me. There's a few of them in this pool, but some of them are hiding. Don't know if that is in response to me being here, or whether they're hiding anyway. I've done another video which is just ambient, it's just the sound of the waves and no commentary at the same place. So check that out. What's that there? That looks like it might be something. Is that the legs of something? No, shells that look like legs of something. So where's our little starfish friend? And my scarf is now dragging in the water. So he's moved a little bit since we last saw him. I suppose you need to get a sense of scale, don't you? So I'll put my finger next to him. Gosh, it looks like a monstrous giant finger, doesn't it? So put that there. Oh, looks like he's coming to see me. He's coming out of the water. You just see him moving. More of his, I'm going to call them legs, but that's probably not the right term. Yeah, you can see him moving. I found a bigger one on the beach. I found one, didn't know if it was alive or not. I left it be, and it was that much across, probably more actually, probably about that much across. So this is a small one. The one I used on the thumbnail is even smaller. Cute little one. And let's see if there's any more hermit crab movement. Yes, here is some hermit crab movement. These aren't as clear to see maybe. You've got the shadow of the camera. I'm never going to make a wildlife photographer. And I've lost them again. Ah, here's a couple. But the film is quite indistinct. And there's something moving over there as well. Now, what's that? It's difficult to get closer, but I'm on full zoom, so another one or two moving down there. So the water's a little bit cloudy. These two on the move. Yeah, they go a bit still when you approach, which is probably wise, because these must be such easy prey for seagulls. If I was a seagull, this is what I would go for. Yeah, another one there. He's gone still, but right in the middle of the screen. That's a little grabby. So this is the most active of all the pools. Oh, that big one is coming over. Come on over, big boy. This is the most busy pool that I've come across. There's some different shellfish there, like kind of very much like snails, aren't they? I don't know what they are. Not really very well up on shellfish and things like that. I don't eat them. He's on the move. Now this one here is intriguing me. Yeah, he's motoring. So before we go, thank you for watching this. Please like and subscribe and do all those things, because that helps us help people with retroactive jealousy, get the message out there so we can help people. And got some distracting action. The hermit crab is upstaging the starfish. So there's our little starfish friend. Oh, what's going on there? He's having a good old wriggle around. He's waving at the camera. Look at that. Nice to see them alive, isn't it? Because you so often see them dead. So I will say farewell from Rockpool land, and we'll catch you in the next video, which may or may not be about retroactive jealousy, could be about a whole range of things. And thank you very much for your support. Catch you soon. Rangimarie.